So when you live abroad, it's very difficult to celebrate a festival because most of the time you are busy in your household chore. There is no friends, family here. There is no domestic help. So today I was really very busy in making some sweets for Diwali, and I shot some recipes and my vlog today. So let's get into it. And also, if you like to order something, you can any Indian grocery item, you can order it from jamuna.com and use a 5% off coupon code pragati_jen. There are many different deals. One of them is that you can be a new customer and you can directly get 10 euro off. The code will be in the description. You can find that code and you can use that code. This is the shopping that I did. Milk, bread, raisins, onion, maida, sugar and oil. So I made the list that what I actually want to make. This is a small menu. Since I'm not sure whether I should make gujia or shakarpare, that's why I made a question mark in front of them. Otherwise, all the other things I am determined to make today. So there are the things that we have to fry. For example, chakli, matli, sev, and maybe gujia. This we have to make separately, and then these two sweets are different procedures, so we have to do it separately. And roasted chivda is also a different procedure. That's why we are going to do it in the last. We are going to make roasted chivda in the last. There are some preparations that you can do a bit before. For example, you can make sev masala, or you can cut dry fruit and all the nuts, and you can make sure that if you have ghee and sufficient ghee at home, and you may find out the things that is needed. For example, sev mold or gujia mold, something like that. Pot I am going to grind cardamom first, so that I can use the same container for grinding sev masala. Also cut almonds and pistachios for Besan Barfi. In a pan I roasted some ajwain or carom seeds, some fennel, some cloves and some black peppers for making sev masala. So here sev masala is also ready. So almost all the preparation is done, and now we will start with Besan Barfi. So I took 1 bowl besan or chickpea flour and I am going to sieve it. We are going to add half cup ghee to it and we are going to roast it. So you see it's been roasting, and now we have to make the sugar syrup. So I am going to add half a cup of sugar in a pan. So here is half cup sugar and 1/4 cup of bowl of water. So make a sugar syrup, and here we are going to take a look at this besan. You see it is releasing the ghee and it is fluffed up. That means that it is nicely roasted now. You see, one string syrup is also ready. I'm going to add cocos raspal. It is called so basically it is a desiccated coconut and some cardamom powder to this. Also we are going to add some chopped nuts also. Okay, now add sugar syrup to it. Now I applied some ghee to this thali or a plate, and I am going to transfer this mixture into this thali. So you see how beautiful it looks, and I am going to add chopped nuts to it. So you see this one is ready. I am going to cut it later. Oh no! So now we are going to make kaju katli, and I put these kaju or cashew kernel in the freezer so that it will be cold. So in order to make kaju katli, I grind cashew nuts. It is about 2 cups of ground cashew nuts. I am adding 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. So here is the 1 string consistency again. Now we are going to add cashew nuts to this sugar syrup. See, we are going to let it cook for a minute or so that the flavors will mix up. If you notice, I also added cardamom powder when I was adding cashew nuts. I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee to it to add some creaminess. I applied some ghee to this butter paper and I put it on a parat. Basically we have to cool down this mixture so that it will be a smooth smooth dough. And basically I made this mistake because teig means dough in German, so we have to make a dough. See, we have to put it in room temperature for some time until it is cooked. So we are waiting. See, this barfi is almost ready. It's hard and we can cut it. Now you see the consistency, it's getting a bit cool now, and you have to knead it like this. Now you apply ghee to another paper, put the butter side down, and then you can roll it. Oh no! So bad news is that kaju katli is not done. The consistency is bad. It's not set properly. So what to do? So here in Germany you get cocos raspal, means desiccated coconut. I am going to add some desiccated coconut. And you get this blanched and ground almonds, which is called mandlen gemahlen. So I am going to add that too. I scraped off all the kaju katli mixture from the butter paper and I added this to this nut mixture.
Hier. Hier bitte schön. Ich will nicht dir mithelfen.
See, now these laddus are ready, and my little baby had made these laddus here. Finally, now we are going to cut these barfis. I tried it. It's being done nicely. See, it's wonderful. So I will put the imperfect pieces aside, and I will pack the rest of the sweet for pujan. See how beautiful is that. Please let me know how do you like this video, and comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And there are so many interesting video about life in Germany. So we will meet again with a new topic and a new video. Until then, bye bye. I'm really very tired. You see, my eyes are getting red. So today I will just edit this video and upload it, and then I will just go to sleep. Bye bye everyone. Happy Diwali in advance, and happy Dhanteras. May God bless you with all the health, wealth and happiness. Bye bye. I applied oil to, sorry, this is ghee. I scrape off, and also if you love to